Yeah.
Ready when you are.
When take you one, the moment take you one money ring, then to need it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am here with another video. Another prank. So Jason in the bathroom, my bed right now. Me just come out of the bathroom and I said, you don't wanna miss me. So it says me take 4 days to upload. Why not come back with a little banger, you know? So I don't know if I see right now. Oh, no, see. Alright, so right now I see some whole heap of clothes are going on the bed. So that dress there, where there? This dress, I'm gonna fold it up and put it in my bag to carry down a mommy for put on. But you see them here over here, so you see them there over there, so are some clothes where I just pack up. I say I'm not gonna wear them again. But I say, wonder if I wear them, how Jason would I react? You know, so mega dress weird, like mega put on tights with skirts and blouse and socks with heels, church shoes, and see how Jace would react. But mega set up the camera for catching reaction inside, and not only that, mega wear it on the road, mega wear it go down on mommy, but him now gonna know so mega have something in my bag for change when I go down on mommy, because I can't stay so all day. So I just go into that and come back.
Yeah.
Ready when you are.
You mean ready when you ready?
No man, I'm ready, man. Yeah.
Okay. You ready now fully?
Yeah. Babe.
Yeah.
Carry deodorant. I don't remember putting on any.
Oh, that's one.
Yeah. Thank you. Come now. Yeah, go ahead, look at me so like you make me feel awkward. Come.
Hey, what do you think I do?
Babe, stop. Come. Yeah, come now.
Babe, you have the audition phone play?
Why you there? Yeah, me dress up.
Babe, look how his skirt look. Oh, like Rapunzel. Actually. And the tights. Babe, what kind of dress in this? No, babe, what kind of dress in this? Babe, stop. Babe, damn thing you're going in your feelings. Ask you a question.
We just feel like how they look together.
Oh, why you supposed to say we can't just look how you look? Babe, why you look so?
I like you.
Me not like it. Me not like that. Yo, me not like it. You be in a relationship and no baga like master. Babe, me not like that. Take you off now.
No.
Why you have to go on the road,
I
sir?
have a choice.
Which choice?
Make dress on the one.
Why you have to go on the road, sir?
Why you not like about my outfit?
Everything.
Yo, stop with me feel that way. Come and really dress up for you today.
Just a for me? So? If you naked. That's how you dress to be. No man, baby, you look like. Baby, nothing what we used to suffer, you don't look so. You mismatch with the one clothing. And what I mean, I want the heels. Stop it. Babe, honestly, I not even know where you get this from. Where this from? And I'm buy that, you know?
No.
So you...
I'm a mother, give me.
Babe, grey socks. Broke beard shoes.
Stop me. You come out here to criticize me. This is where problem come in. Come in and change my clothes. Me look good.
You not come with me, my girl. What not? Baby, nah, but no, you look so. Baby, you look like punky. No. Come me class. Come like say, yo, what kind of food was that? I want to hear him. I want to hear him. Come here, you don't see how you look, my girl. That. Babe, I know you have to tell me,
I know, you're ready.
No, you do that to come slow me down now, babe. I'm telling you, you have work to do. Stop with it. Babe, what is?
Yes, no, this is how I'm going. Why
Who you are going? Who you are going? You're lucky. So, the lucky thing here is not frightening to me. Frighten me at all.
You make me feel that way. I'm trying to be.
Trying to do what? To dress up like a clown? We are in circles over here. People, you look like mother woman in my girl, just move from me, say, man. My girl, just move from me. Baby, now look on the road, son. It's fine. I'm not debating.
Well, this is where I'm going.
Well, you're not going with me.
I'm shoes. I'm going to put on my shoes.
You're not going with me. You're not going with me, babe. You're not going with me. Me, but take off food that we already know.
Jesus, I saw me a go. What is wrong?
You want to take your woman in the ring, then to the idiot.
Wow.
Babe, what could I... Wow. No, yo, ease up on me, man. Move.
No.
Move.
Wow.
Yo, we don't even know off-run you. We don't know you have man, woman, and valley thing. Yeah, what? No, you look like Rumpel skinny like cartoon over there watch. You see, me now make you watch no more of them sitting there. I don't eat that.
So I'm put it back in a time.
Bro, we look like we're in the 70s right now. Well, you look like that.
Now because you have a tummy and figure why
you're not going to ill figure. I'm not going to ill figure. Close and close. They can put on something.
I'm ready and it's final. I'm not change.
I go for your Bible and come. Mother woman.
You want one snack?
No, me no want for you, miss. Oh, give me a chocolate chip. I like that. You didn't come by yourself, no?
Catch.
Let me sit in, bro.
Catch this to me.
I'm not catch nothing for you.
Put in on my bag.
Yo, how am you, man? Baby, you know what's in me wait. So I'm going to sit down and wait till you change that now.
I'm not changing.
No.
I am not changing.
I'm just saying I come with me in the general. So.
So guys, Jason did a try to leave me, so I did have to grab up my stuff them real quick and go into the car. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with another vlog. Babe over here, so babe, you're going with it.
Yeah, man.
So how you feeling today?
Good.
Okay. Give your mommy papa a kiss.
When we see her.
What do you mean when you see her?
She do me just say, you never stutter.
Guys, seem like he might have a bad day, so when him feel better, then
When
maybe
I feel
come
better after
back.
I'm sick.
But babe, why you give me attitude?
What your attitude?
I put on my seatbelt here, guys, so come back. Guys, I'm on my way. I go Clarendon. And just I go do some stuff first in the town. Well, not to go do some stuff. Me have something to do for my sister. But Jason not gonna follow me and then I gonna come with me after. So babe, because of how me dress. Me express myself. If I get tired, let me take off the tie. I probably the tired in a like. So see me here now. You see your wife yet?
Well, time I on the highway, all along now, I look for your car right now.
Or the clothes in a like this.
Still I look.
Same thing I want to say to the people them because I know I got put up my little flaggy flag. Guys, it look like Jason now feel my outfit. Before we leave out, him did I tell me to change it and stuff like that, but this item I never did I go change it. So just a vlog phone now. Because I know what's up. Mega show you the outfit and gonna tell me if you have a problem with it. When we reach a mommy, I show you me personally don't have no problem with it. Think babe would I love it, but him not love it, so I said go.
I love it, man.
Look on him 3 button here upon it. Quite sick and nice.
Nice.
I'm gonna ask mommy what she think because I feel like I just Jason a bit touches.
Babe, I tell you something like you, something you keep on tell people themselves.
That's not what you said this morning.
Why you tell lie for me? There's no proof you say I like that. That's true.
Everything good.
Keep it key, please.
Keep it? Okay. The whole journey down, you're just silent. You not say nothing to me. You know want to touch me normally. The rest of hand on my lap, right? Yeah, so.
You're difficult at home, go deal with something, right?
Me and you.
So I could go from now. I could do that.
No, we are going mommy first.
Alright. We are going to do there first.
Yeah?
We are going to do there first.
Babe, I don't want to go in that one first.
My time, I want to do that, you know.
Babe, I don't want to go there first. I have to go mommy first.
I wonder why you don't want to go in the town first. You know, I'm going to muggle.
Babe, I saw me going at home, but I just don't want to go there.
No matter if you go there naked at this point.
Anyways, babe.
You called.
It's a prank.
That can't be no prank.
Babe, it's a prank. That's a manga and mommy. Who you have to carry me in a tone like this?
You'll go in the photo yard.
Babe, we in our personal car.
I think so we in a zoo truck. And I'm a driver.
You're mean. He's so mean.
Oh my God, mean feels like a good thing. I'm so mean. Ah! Yeah.
You're the whole one carry me out of me pen looking so.
No, I didn't care where I carried at this point. I wanted the police.
I
wanted the police to actually lock me up at this point.
So I got use 1 stone kill 2 birds. The fact that I tell Jason said it was a prank, I got change over mommy. Put on my dress.
Make sure you record everybody with area because I know somebody will laugh.
I got record them reactions, so I got record mommy reaction now to how me look. So I got put on back the heels. Baby, I know wife and I'm gonna do that. I know wife have jeans and sit down on her butt. Morning. Good. How you look for me so far? It is a smell, sir. Oh, mommy. Mommy got me a pen? But now I Susie attack me. Susie don't know that person. Yeah. Dog. When you think your dog gonna know me? Suppose the dog not recognize me. Lord have mercy. Oh, the guys. Pookie? Mia? Hi, baby. Yeah, wait. Yeah, aren't you goose? Mwah.
Why I want this? This
What?
skirt.
What about what?
This skirt. What's wrong with your outfit?
What? What you say?
What's wrong with your outfit?
What's wrong with my outfit? What's wrong with your outfit?
I have nothing.
You don't like it?
Not like I don't like it. Wait, your
What you say? What she say? What you say? What you say?
Your outfit is ugly.
It's ugly?
Yes.
I like it. Bye. I can't poke it, nothing wrong with my outfit. This little girl gonna ask me what is wrong with my outfit. Mommy not there, guys. Mommy gonna me a pen. So, Pookie, what is wrong with my outfit? Exactly, it's beautiful, right? Thank you, baby. See? Nothing is. Mia, what's wrong with my outfit?
Yeah.
It great?
Yeah.
Okay,
You
baby.
know what? You wear same skirt and blouse.
Exactly.
Yes. We don't want tights or high heels. That don't match. If you put on dress powder, that would have match.
Yeah. So, I'm gonna end off the video right now. I'm gonna change off, end off the video. If you're new to my channel, let me change off first before I'm done off the video. Come on to the system, me change. Alright guys, so I'm gonna change off and put on the little dress here. I'm gonna end off the video right now because I really and I did that tell me I have something to go do for my sister. That's the main reason why I came down here. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for your chat the journey with me. Road to 100k. Thank you guys for the support. I really appreciate it. Bye guys.